Hello YouTube, this is my Wellington Model 2 or 3 typewriter. As you can see, I have it on my upside down Remington typewriter shipping case. This one does work. I'm not going to restore it, I'm just going to repaint under the carriage a little because it's a little rusty. Get that looking good. I'll clean all the nickel up real nice because, as you can see, it's quite dirty. Here's the back side. That's how you advance the paper in the carriage. And it has a really interesting shifting mechanism, because right there is figures and that one's caps. Wait, why isn't it working? Figures. Doesn't want to work right now, it's all a little sticky, so there we go. Figures, then caps. Figures goes down more. It says patent March 29th, 1892. Let's take off the cover. No, I want that one. You can see there's the key action. It's a little bit like a silent typewriter, kinda, the way the arms move. Everything's a little sticky. Has a standard keyboard, nickeled space bar, and that's your ribbon reverse right there. I'm going to repaint under the cover because it's getting real nasty, so just where the felt is, I'm going to repaint under that. So look at the underside. That's the underside there. I'll get a better video up of this because I'm doing this at night, so it is kind of dark. So that's the video. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.